What if I told you there's an animal that can remember friends for decades, communicate over long distances, and never forget a face? Meet the elephant, the largest land animal on Earth and one of the smartest creatures ever discovered. In this video, you'll discover Woolsher incredible elephant facts that will amaze you from start to finish. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Fact number 2. There are 3 living species of elephants. Fact number 3. African elephants are larger than Asian elephants. Fact number 4. An elephant's trunk contains over 40,000 muscles. Fact number 5. Elephants use their trunks to breathe, smell, drink, and grab food. Fact number 6. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. Fact number 7. They are among the smartest animals in the world. Fact number 8. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. Fact number 9. They have excellent memories. Fact number 10. Elephants can communicate using low-frequency sounds called infrasound. Fact number 11. These sounds can travel several kilometers. Fact number 12. Elephants live in close family groups. Fact number 13. The oldest female usually leads the herd. Fact number 14. She is called the matriarch. Fact number 15. Baby elephants are called calves. Fact number 16. A newborn calf can weigh around 100 kilograms. Fact number 17. Elephant pregnancies last about 22 months. Fact number 18. This is the longest pregnancy of any land mammal. Fact number 19. Elephants are herbivores. Fact number 20. They eat grass, leaves, bark, roots, and fruit. Fact number 21. An adult elephant can eat over 150 kilograms of food a day. Fact number 22. They drink up to 200 liters of water daily. Fact number 23. Elephants use mud as natural sunscreen. Fact number 24. They also use mud to protect against insects. Fact number 25. Elephants flap their ears to cool down. Fact number 26. African elephants have much larger ears than Asian elephants. Fact number 27. Their tusks are actually modified teeth. Fact number 28. Elephants use tusks for digging and defense. Fact number 29. Not all elephants have large tusks. Fact number 30. Elephants can swim very well. Fact number 31. They use their trunks like snorkels while swimming. Fact number 32. Elephants can run up to 40 kilometers per hour. Fact number 33. They cannot jump. Fact number 34. Elephants show emotions such as joy, sadness, and empathy. Fact number 35. They comfort injured or distressed herd members. Fact number 36. Elephants are known to mourn their dead. Fact number 37. They can recognize the voices of family members. Fact number 38. Elephants have excellent hearing. Fact number 39. Their skin can be over 2 centimeters thick. Fact number 40. Despite their thick skin, they are sensitive to touch. Fact number 41. Wild elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years. Fact number 42. Elephants play an important role in maintaining forests. Fact number 43. They help spread seeds through their dung. Fact number 44. Elephants create paths used by other animals. Fact number 45. They are considered keystone species. Fact number 46. Habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to elephants. Fact number 47. Illegal ivory hunting has reduced elephant populations. Fact number 48. Many organizations work to protect elephants. Fact number 49. Elephants are symbols of wisdom and strength in many cultures. Fact number 50. Elephants are among the most intelligent, gentle, and magnificent animals on Earth. Which elephant fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.